Traefik Enterprise is a cloud-native load balancer and Kubernetes ingress controller that eases network complexity at scale. Built on the popular open-source project Traefik Proxy, Traefik Enterprise brings exclusive distributed features with high-performance capabilities, enabling you to load balance your applications, secure your services with authentication and encryption, provide end-to-end tracing, and real-time monitoring. Let's take a deeper look at some of these features. Traefik Enterprise runs as a gateway to your infrastructure platform, securely routing traffic from the web and between your applications. It's elegant in its simplicity, being composed of three components: ingress proxies, mesh proxies, and controllers. Ingress and mesh proxies are made out of horizontally scalable replicas, which are responsible for forwarding traffic to and between your services. Controllers consist of distributed replicas that watch your environment and services, store topology changes, and update the proxies to reconfigure routing changes dynamically. Traefik Enterprise Clusters natively implements RAV consensus between controllers to safely store and replicate mission-critical configuration. No external key value stores nor third-party tooling is required. This distributed architecture is the cornerstone of Traefik Enterprise, enabling high availability, reliability, and security while routing your applications. Now let's get started with a quick installation and configuration of Traefik Enterprise in Kubernetes. Installing Traefik Enterprise on Kubernetes is a three-step process that requires defining a secret object, which includes a license key, defining a configuration object that you can see here with static.yaml, and loading the installer from a hosted server that includes all the CRDs, role bindings, service accounts, and highly available proxy service manifest already defined. Now that Traefik Enterprise is installed, I will install a guestbook demo application to highlight some of the key features available in Traefik Enterprise. With the guestbook application installed, I'm going to install the ingress route, a custom resource definition used by Traefik Enterprise to expose this service to the web. You can see the ingress route here in my editor. Now, exposing services is easy with Traefik, and you can see here that the application is available on the web. With my guestbook application deployed, I will now expose the Traefik Enterprise dashboard to the internet. Now, this will enable me to visualize, monitor, and inspect the configuration and status of every aspect of the Traefik Enterprise deployment. With this dashboard, I can inspect the status of my cluster, controllers, proxies, ingresses, and more. In addition, I'm able to inspect the routers and services being served by Traefik, those service details, including the status of the service endpoints. Now, in order to secure application services, Traefik Enterprise allows for authentication providers to be installed. For example, if I wanted to leverage Google's OpenID Connect provider, I only need to update the default static configuration for Traefik and update the configuration of the guestbook's ingress route definition to utilize the newly defined OpenID Connect provider. Now, once deployed, I can see the details of the authentication middleware in the Traefik Enterprise dashboard, and when I refresh the page to the guestbook, I'm now prompted to log in through Google, and the application is secure behind the newly deployed ingress route. The last part of this demo, I will update the static configuration for Traefik to enable the service mesh functionality available in Traefik Enterprise. And once deployed, I can inspect the service mesh and see all of my services and their relationship mappings in the Traefik Enterprise dashboard. The services will be able to communicate within the Kubernetes cluster through our service mesh plane that is configured through standardized service mesh interface templates. To recap, I've shown you in just a few minutes how easy it is to install Traefik Enterprise on Kubernetes, expose an application to the web, secure it, and enable a non-invasive service mesh. You can get started by registering for a free trial of Traefik Enterprise today. And please, don't hesitate to contact us with your questions at any time.